To create your color wheel, you'll need two papers that have all the triangles and a space for your name and your class code. Write your name and your class code first, and then you'll be designing your shape in the triangle on the top that says Shape Idea. You can make your shape anything you want as long as it fits within this triangle. So it could just be lines or areas that you're taking off. You could make it into something more realistic. In the past, I've had students do ice cream cones or clouds or dragons. So you could turn this space into anything you'd like. Once you have your shape drawn, you're going to need to cut this out. The easiest way that I think to do it is to cut out the whole triangle and then cut out your smaller details. For this step, you are only cutting out your Shape Idea triangle. No other triangles will be cut out yet. After you're finished cutting out your original shape, you are going to use your pencil to very carefully trace that shape into the rest of your triangles. For your color wheel, you're going to need 12 triangles, which means you'll have two pieces of paper. So very carefully and slowly trace your shape onto the rest of your triangles until you have 12. You should have one extra shape idea left over on your second piece of paper, and you can just leave that blank for right now. It will be there if you need an extra in the long run, but if you don't, we can cut it out and save it for someone who might. So just take your pencil, very carefully trace your shape within all of your triangles. Once you're finished tracing your shapes into your triangles, I want you to take your pencil and above each triangle, label your shapes for what color will be painted inside each of them. We're going to start with your primary colors, so label your red and draw an arrow to your triangle, then your yellow, then your blue. After your primary, we're going to do our secondary, so I want you to label your green, your orange, and your violet. On the second page, we'll fill it with our tertiary colors. Those can be found on your color wheel or on the example wall in the front of the classroom. Once you're done labeling, then you're ready for paint.